Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to consolidate UTXO in the Sparrow Wallet. Sparrow Wallet is a privacy-focused desktop Bitcoin wallet that gives you full control over your coins using advanced features like coin control and manual UTXO selection. This makes it easy to consolidate UTXOs when needed. UTXO consolidation means combining multiple small Bitcoins includes UTXOs into one large UTXOs by sending them to yourself into single transaction. This helps reduce future transaction size, lower future fees, clean up many small includes, best done when network fees are low. First, what you can do is open to your Sparrow Wallet here and launch your Sparrow Wallet. And after that, you can click to this UTXOs in the left hand side. If you do not see it enabled advanced view, you can show to this advanced here as well. To this advanced here, this activates coin control and move to the send tab. And copy one of the wallet addresses, paste it into the recipient field in the send tab. If there's any recipient field open, make sure it is your own address. Choose a low fee rate. If mempool fees are low, review the transaction size and the total fee into this transaction. In the top left here, consolidation links those UTXOs together on the chain if privacy is important on the consolidate UTXOs that already belong together logically. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to consolidate UTXO in the Sparrow Wallet. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.